Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So let us start the discussion. So previously, I already completed the concept of, come on, flatten and ravel, and one more is permutations and combinations, choice and shuffle. And one more also I said permutation also I completed, and random distribution also, random data distribution also done. And today's concept, I'm going to start about swapping. Of course, that is very small, and later I will go for the statistical operations I will introduce. So here, so NumPy, ND array, of course, especially it is called what? Matrix elements swapping. Of course, it is a simple logic I want to tell you. Matrix elements swapping. Okay. So there I will go for column swapping, and one more is what? Row swapping. Row swapping. This is a one. Come in. So next I'm going to, later I will introduce NumPy statistical operations. I'm going to use it, students. NumPy statistical operations. So statistical operations. Statistical operations in NumPy. This is what is our today's agenda. So what exactly column swapping and row swapping? Shall I start? So what do you mean by column swapping? What do you mean by swapping? First, as we discussed in core Python level, advanced Python level, interchanging of the values. So multiple logics we set in the classroom. T is equal to A is equal to B, and B is equal to T. This is the one logic I said. A comma B is equal to B comma A I said. What is this is called multi-line assignment. And I said A is equal to A plus B, B is equal to A minus B, and A is equal to A minus B. This is the third logic I said. And one more logic I said A is equal to A of B, B is equal to A of B, and B is equal to A of B. What is this operator? This is nobody knows because I already explained in the class. Bitwise XOR, bitwise XOR. Explained up? All these things explained now? Yes, these many swappings we did. So this is most special. This is a most special. Already discussed in the class, bitwise XOR. And today, this is in what we are discussing is little different. So there I'm going to talk about matrix related data. I'm going to swap it. Very, very simple. Let us go for swapping. So I want to show you one small figure for you. A small figure. I just want to go for it. Here, students, you observe it. Already I shown you yesterday. Roughly, I just shown you. And today also I'm going to show you here. Try to follow, guys. Here I'm going to take up. Observe this now. Here I'm going to get it. Are you seeing this now? Let us, what is this is called? Matrix. What matrix it is? Virtual array, 3 by 3 matrix, correct? Then in this case, what is happening? This column data is going to this one, and this will be coming to where? This place. And when you go for it, what is happening now? It is interchanging or not? This went to this place, and this came into this place. Interchanged or not? So how do you do this? Come on, quickly. What is this now? A. This is A or not? Come on. What is this now? Rows. This, all the rows, supposed to go to where? This is the 0th column, 0th row, first row, second row. Let me take up. This is called A, students. 0th row, first row, second row. Zeroth column, first column, second column. Now what is the swapping mechanism here? Column swapping. Nothing easy. What swapping? Column swapping. How to do it? All rows na? Already you learned indexing and everything in our class very well. Slicing also very well. First one is what? All rows. Correct or not? All rows. In the columns, what I am going to do, you see. What is this now? 0, comma 2 or 2, comma 0. Anything you can write it. So I am writing here 0, comma 2, 0, comma 2 is equal to what I am doing? All rows there also. Here I am going to write it 2, comma 0. Are you following? It is also similar to what? You can also write nothing is difficult. 2, comma 0 is equal to what? A of what? Colon. What is this now? 0, comma 2 also you can write it. Are you following me? What is this swapping is called? Column swapping. Column swapping. If you go to row swapping, in place of this, you write what? Colon you write it, and you write here this type of row specification. I hope you are following. Difficult, huh? No. A very easy, dead easy, not at all a difficult. If we come to my point, students, I prepared a small thing just to try to understand. NumPy swapping. NumPy swapping. Because if I start typing it, it takes some time. That's why. NumPy swap columns of the given array. I wrote steps. Import NumPy module. Create a NumPy array. Swap the column with index. Which column? Column index. And print a final array. Now see students. Importing module. Import this NumPy. Create an array with what? 4, comma 3. NP dot array range of what? 12. 12 means what? 4, comma 3. 4, comma 3. What I am printing now? Original array, my array. Original array is printed. Next is called what? Swap the columns with index of original array. My array of colon. Colon means what? All rows. What is this now? 2, comma 0. All columns. So column index this is. Which column index? 2 and 0 I am going to exchange. 2 and 0 I am exchanging. With what? 0, 2. 2, 0 is replaced with 0, 2 of this 0, 2. I hope you are following. 2, 0 means what? Second column. 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 0 to 0. Second column elements. Second column elements. Second column elements. This place, this place, this place. Second column elements replaced with what? 0 column elements. That's the meaning. 2 colon 0 or 0 colon 2. So whatever the way you like it, you can write 2 colon 0. This is called what? 0 2. 0 2 or 2 0. Anything you can write it. Understand? Even in multi-line assignment also I said A comma B is equal to B comma A or B comma A is equal to A comma B. Anything you can write it. This is about which kind of thing? Come on. So go to the place. Now I'm going to show you Jupyter notebook. It's not a difficult. Just specifically I'm asking this because it's one of the written test question. How to swap the columns of your end array or rows also. I'm going to show you here. And swapping is not at all difficult for you. Already you're done with single elements. Now here, I'll go for NumPy examples on NumPy swapping, NumPy end array swapping. Let us go for, I'll paste this example, importing the module, create an array with what? 4, comma 3, original array printed here. So you say that everything is printed. Now I'm changing it. So see this now. What is happening? This is our original array. Is it swapped or not? Swapped. Now this is related to column swapping. Similarly, I want to go for what? A row swapping also. What is the row swapping? For example, This is a 2. This is called what? 2 comma 0 means what? 0 elements. 0 elements swapping to 2, or 2 elements is swapping to this place. Now, today I want to go for what? This row elements should be copied here. How do I write it, mom? Come on. Come on. 0 comma. Come on. 2 comma. This you write it like that. Comma what? Colon. Colon. You take it. Come on. A of 2 colon 2 comma. Sorry. Comma. Not colon, students. Comma. What is this? 0. Comma what? Colon. That's all. Understand? Simple. Go to the place concept window. Output also shown in your notes. Swapping the column with user choices. I mean, one more. Some user choice with user choice. You see, I'm writing one small passing function related. I am saying swap of what is this now? Your ND array object. What is this now? 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. What is this 0 comma 1? Programmer choice. You are passing through function. So here there is a function, mom. You create your array. You try to take this part. Here you take it. So this is called a main program. As you know, according to our standards, it's a main program. Create an array of the same original array printed. 0 comma 1, you are passing your choice of passing the data. So swap is the function or not? Function definition. Function definition for what function? Swap. Function definition for swap. Swap of what is this now? First parameter. What is the first parameter? Our array, ND array object is stored here. What is this 0? Start index. What is this 1? Last index. That you want to take it as a row na column? Column. That's why I'm writing after the colon. I wrote like this. If I wrote the same thing in where? In this colon place, it will become what? Row related. Start index comma last index. Ikkada last index comma start index. Same here also. Whatever is there. 2002. So whatever you said, start index and last index comma same. This also can be done with the same. This also can be done with the same. I will also try to post the same. This I already tested and posted here. Again, for your clarity purpose, I'm just posting it. Function for that, creating NumPy, my function call, and passing this data. So see that here, this is our original data, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Is it swapped or not? Which one is swapped? This one. Here only 0 and 1 is swapped. Are you following? 0, 1 is swapped. This is called according to our programmer choice. Able to get, students? Well, go to the next online students. Go to the next place. Swapping of what? Rows. Same to same. Here we said colon here. That indicates rows. Already we did slicing, advanced indexing, advanced slicing. So many examples I said. On that basis only I'm using that concept. Now here, rows related. Easy. Import, same thing, copy, paste it. Create a NumPy array. Swap the rows with index. Print the final array. Same thing. Same to same. Here what I said, 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means 0th row replace swapped with 3. See, row related all columns. Follow my array of what? 3 comma 0. 0 comma 3, 3 comma 0. All the columns. After swapping, the array is printed. This is related to what swapping? Rows swapping. So go to the place. Here I am writing. So I'm going to write it. Rows swapping of ND array. Rows swapping of ND array. See, students, import the NumPy, importing, reshaping, and see this data. And this is your rows. Observe it. Third, Third means this one will go to this place and that will come to this place. Are you following or not? So this is swapped. Getting up? Yes, simple. If you want any programmer choice, according to your programmer choice, same thing, 0, 1. And I will take this virginal array point. According to our standards of the class, I will write. This is a main program, students. Which type of thing it is? Same to same. 1, 0. Earlier I used this 1, 0 as what? Columns. Today I'm using what? Rows. What should I do? Swapping rows. What I will do? This same thing. Function definition. Function definition for what? This part. Here I wrote a little bit here. Now I written in the column place. Now I have to write where ma? Come on. Written like this. Comma. I hope you are understanding. And this also I will write it. This also I will write it. Here I am saying. So comma I will write it. Remove this now. Able to follow, guys? So something like that. And I mentioned that this part also I'll carry. This also I will carry. So as usual, this is done according to the programmer choice. So you are going to get it. Observe here only 0, 1. It is just interchanged, right or not? Just interchanged. Here 3, 4, 5 went and that will come to next. This only to both of them according to the programmer choice. Understand? Important. After going to home, before doing this program, you read our indexing of 2D, slicing of 2D, so that you will get this. Dead easy this is. I hope students, rows swapping and the first two are called what? Columns swapping. So I hope it is not a difficult for you. Those who did not practice now, today, this only confuse. But I feel it is dead easy. Already we did 2D slicing, 3D slicing, everything we did. Well, so swapping, done. Okay, now? One at a time, one at a time, one at a time. Even in that earlier swapping of two variable values only you can take. Three variables you cannot do. Here one row with another row, one column with another column only. One. Two rows at a time cannot be swapped with two columns at a time. No. One row with another row, one column with another column. Not two columns with two columns, three columns with three columns. No. One row with another row swapping. Okay, na? Yes. So this is related to what? Swapping concept. Shall we move to the further? Yes. Now I'll move to the further. T-shirt, sweats. Yes. Syntax of stand up. 2D slicing syntax, you tell me. Yeah, just I'm feeling that you are just coming for a picnic like. I'm feeling, that is my feeling about your way of sitting and way of listening. What is the syntax for 2D slicing? 2D slicing, quickly. 2D slicing syntax. As on today, dear students, this is only the subject you can survive in the coming 30 years. Almost in our core area, lot of technologies are emerging now. In China, if you take it, it is beyond the US technology now. Even now, if you want to go for mango tree, if you want to take mango fruits also, people are not working. Robots are going, taking mangoes, loading also, taking to market also. If 10 people are working, there the technology is coming. 10 people removed and only one robot is working. And people are removing why? Because of technology is emerging into the field of manufacturing sector like anything. So that branch good, this branch good. No, wherever the branch is there, you have to involve the technology and the subject you have to increase. And for all these things which are coming, coding is important. Tell me. Come on, first. Do you know? Don't know. Don't know. Oh. Then why to come to the classes then? Stand properly first. Not properly means not like that. Don't fold the hands. Don't know? Sit down. Who will tell the syntax? Who will tell the syntax? Good. Tell me. Array name, row begin. Excellent. That is the subject. Sit down. Row begin, row end, row step, column begin, column end, column step. That only. Who will tell ND? ND, 3D, 3D. Who will tell? Okay, ma. Girls will say, okay, happy. So, but only thing is I never ask them. Because if they say wrong now, I cannot bear it. Because if boy is saying now, I will shout on them. But girls, I cannot shout on them. So, okay, ma. Tell me, all girls, tell me the syntax. ND array, matrix, begin, matrix end, matrix step, comma, row begin, row end, row step, column begin, column end, column step. Can you tell me? Stand up once. ఇంకోసారి చెప్పాలా ఇంకొకసారి చెప్తా ఉంటే మళ్ళీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫీల్ అవుతారు కూర్చో. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఆస్కింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ టు యూ ఇస్ మై టైం వేస్ట్. But when I ask means what, you have to careful. Sit properly, like how other students are sitting. Like that you sit. Now come to the point back. Any of students, read well, improve. Wherever there is a coding, you are number one. Wherever there is no coding practicing, coming days is so worst. If you have a coding standard, you are just excellent. If no coding standards, things are different. I don't want to say the something else. If I say, you will feel it. And I want to move to further. Now, coming to the one day Sai, our student Sai said, so losing the hope on software industry. I am gaining the hope on software industry. You talk to the correct people, they will make you to gain the confidence. Once you don't prepare well, you will lose the hopes. No, you will go to somewhere else also. If you prepare well, you will go to the job market. So keep in mind, let us go to the statistical operations I am going to introduce now. Is it clear? Now I am entering into the statistical operations I am going to introduce. Let us start with statistical operations. So what is meant by, what is the use of statistics? First of all, can you answer me? What is the use of statistics? On and average, 2023-2024 job market analysis. That will give you what? That reports will come out based on statistical reports only, na? Statistical will give you what? Data analysis. Data analysis. Suppose a new state is formed. A new state is formed. I want to establish the capital for the state. I want to establish the capital for the state. What they will do? Lot of statistical analysis they will conduct. Based on geographical things, based on distance point of view, based on people's choice, lot of analysis will be conducted. For that, they will apply what? Statistical functions they will apply. Are you following? Now you take an example of some lakhs of people has written some examination. They will calculate some percentile. Percentile they will calculate based on the shift. JEE mains is the best example. For that, what is happening? Lot of statistical functions will apply. Are you following that? And a bowler is throwing lot of balls, and they will analyze in which ball is getting a wicket. They will study that nature of the balls and all those things, and they will show some dots when the bowling is going to. Analysis will be done before the wickets, how much distance is playing, and all those things. Batsman and then bowler analysis will be done. Behind of all the things, what will be done? Come on, statistical operations are important. So some of the statistical operations which are most useful to you, of course, that are the main important things, or I'm going to write it. So statistical operations will give you what? Decision making in the data analysis. So for analyzing the given data, what operations are important? statistical operations are required. So in data science, these statistical operations are very, very important. What are the functions which present in that? Number one, A max. Spell out A max. So you only will tell me what is the meaning of max. Already we learned in our Python classes what max function will give you what highest element. Today, what is A? Array. Which array? 1D, 2D, ND. What it will give you? Come on. Max. There I want to find row wise max, column wise max, entire matrix max. Understand? Very good. Second one, tell me A min. Good. What is the, we already learned in our Python classes, just a min. Just a min we learned it. A min will give you what? Array min. 1D min, 2D min, ND min. Row wise min, all those things I will take up. All those things I will take up. I hope you are understanding. Are you able to get, students? Well, I'll talk about the students. Number three, I will talk about what mean. What is the mean? Average. What is the mean? Average. So I want to find out a university in 2023, a batch came out, and what will be the highest package? What will be the lowest package? What is the mean package? What is the median package? Mean package, median package. Lot of people are not able to understand average and then median. Are able to get my points? So I'll give you mean. I will explain to you. Next, the third one is, fourth one is called what you know, median. Median, 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 median package. Median. What is the meaning of median? I will tell you. Next, fifth one is called what? Come on. Mode. Who said mode? Raise your hands. Just correct. Who said mode? Mode is not there in the NumPy. Mode is there. I will tell you that operation. Mode is also there, but mode function not present in where? NumPy module. NumPy module not present in NumPy module. Sir, where it is present in? I will tell you. It is present in Python module only called statistics module. In that, what I will say, single mode operation I will tell you. Mode function is available. One more is there. Multi-mode function is also present. Mode, multi-mode. Two things are present in that. So Saurav. Sir, but yesterday you said that mode is not there in NumPy, but mode is there. You will tell us further. Now only further means today only I am telling. Saurav, yes, that is what I said. Sixth one is what now? Something like variance. Variance. Next is called what you know? Seventh one is called what? Standard deviation. Standard deviation. Of course, variance between two things. What will be the difference of it? And square root of the variance is called what? So you can express in two ways. One is in variance, or you can express the same thing in standard deviation also. You can express the variance. Square root of variance is called what? Standard deviation. Shall I move forward? These are the statistical operations which are present in the NumPy module, except the fifth one. Except the fifth one. Rest of them are present into which module? NumPy. Tell me, spell out all of you. A max, A min, mean of, median of, variance. Don't read out this. Come on. Variance of, standard deviation. How many? What are those? A max of, A min of, mean of, median of, variance of, standard deviation of. Now I will go to the statistical operation. Shall I? Let's go. Now I'm going to take up, not a difficult. You've seen a lot of journey in our class of this entire Python programming. You'll feel very easy. Examples on NumPy statistical operations. Statistical operations. Statistical operations. So now I'm going to enter into that. So Mohan Priya. So see, ma'am, A max okay, A min okay, mean is okay, median is okay, variance of, that is wrong answer. So VAR, Next is called what? STD of. That is the correct answers. Of course, he is writing in detail, I know, but I have to correct it. Now, no problem. So import of, what is this now? NumPy as NP. NP. Dear students, now I'm going to start with A is equal to, don't take much time. Now I'm going to take it 1D array. 1D array. It is a very, very easy for you, not a difficult. 1D array. I'm taking A is equal to NP dot array of, now I'm going to take it 10, 20, some 3 comma 14 comma minus 5 comma minus 5 comma, I'm writing something like 25. I'm just writing something like 25. Print of A, or I will write content of A, content of A. There I'm writing print of this A. After that, now I want to find what? Max and min I want to find. Max and min I want to find. It is dead easy. Now I'm going to print. Come on, tell me now. So I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it. This is a content printed. So max v mb is equal to max v. I'm writing. Actually, directly I can write it, but all the people should be there in mind. Come on. np dot a max of a. Min v also I will write it. Two things I will tell you combined together. Min v I will write it. And by name itself it will be given. Max value is equal to, what is this now? Max v. And next is called what here? Min v. And for you it is just like a easy concept for you. Min v. And you are going to get it. I hold a max. This is I will apply what? A min. A min I will apply. A min. Yes. A min I will apply. Okay. No issue. Are you getting or not? You are getting. This is for what? 1D. Similarly, I'll go for the same thing here. I'll go for the same thing now. Try to take up. I'm going to apply some data here. I'll directly take it. 10, something like, 25 and 26. Next, I'm going to apply. Be careful, guys. 30, 15, something like, 22. Next, I'm writing here 6 and then 7 and then here something like 19. This is my given data. See students, content of A is coming. np.amax. np.amax. You are going to get it, the data like this. This is 10, 25, 16, 30 and 15, 22 and 6, 7, 19. This is my given data. The max will give you what? Bigger one. What is the max? 30. Min is called what? 6. This is what you are going to get it. Able to follow, students? So you are going to get max and what? Min. That's fine. Up to this is fine. But my requirement is, this is my total class. I'm representing your marks. Max marks I represented. Min marks I represented. In our school days, there is a row. Row leader also will be the row leader. In this row, who is first? In this row, who is first? Like row wise max I want to find. Column wise max also I want to find. Are you able to follow? So for that, there is a concept called what? Axis. Axis. Do you know this? Axis. What is axis? How many types of axis are there? Do you know graph? What is the graph? Diagrammatic representation of insides of the given problem is called graph. So I want to draw the bar graph. I want to draw the scatter plotter graph. I want to write the histogram. I want to write bar graph. I want to write horizontal bar graph. I want to write vertical bar graph. Line graph I want to write it. I will explain all the graphs with what? Analysis. There is a matplotlib. I'll explain so perfectly. And every person will discuss one day matplotlib over. And totally it is over also. So here I'm going to talk about x-axis and this is called a y-axis. This is called a z-axis. Z-axis is nothing but three-dimensional. Three-dimensional. Did you understand? Well, students. Now see guys, this is called which one? horizontal line represented as rows. Spell out. And this is called what? Vertical line represented as columns. Today, these columns are indicated by axis 0. Axis 0. Earlier axis is what? Rows. Today, different. And you may feel inconvenient, but we did not develop this. Travis Oliphant has taken that type of decision. We are the learners and developers. We have to adopt this. Okay, now we have to adopt the technology. According to our convenient, technology will not be developed. Understand, students? So I am going to use axis is equal to what? 0 represents what? Columns. Axis is equal to 1 represents what? Rows. Understand? Let us move to the further. This is called what? Max and min will give you what? Complete max and min of the entire matrix. Today I want to go for, this is called 2D related. I'm going to take up 2D related column max, 2D related, 2D related, 2 related row max, and what? Column max I want to find. How do you do that? Same to same, students. I will write a comma. What I am finding? Axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0. Are you following? Yes. Now I am writing, this will give you what? Maximum elements in where? Column. Column. What are the maximum elements in this column? 30. In this row, what is the max? 30. In this one, 25. In this place, 22. So what is that will come? 30 comma 25 comma 22. That will give you this answer. Are you following me? This is an answer. Min also, you see ma, min also. There I will write a comma axis is equal to what? 0. So what is this now? What is the max? 25. What is the max? Come on, 30. What is the max? 19. That is an answer. 25 comma 30 comma 19. That will be giving you what? Min value. That is the axis is equal to 1 case. Are you following? So here I am going to write it. A max. This is called what? Column max. And here I am writing column min. Column min. If you want, I will write it. Column max only. Row max I will write it. I don't want to confuse you. Max. I'll revise. C max and R max. Here also I am writing. Tell me. Max, comma. What is this now? Axis is equal to 1. This is comes under row max. Sorry, column max. Yeah. Column max. Column max. Here, axis is equal to 0 represents. Represents what? Columns. Represents columns. Next, row max. I'm writing next place. Here I'm saying represents what? Rows. Rows here. This is called rows. There I will say row max. This is called row max. I'm going to say. Able to follow? So here column max, and this is called what? Row max. Row max this is called. So I'm going to write it. C max and C max and what? C. Yes. C max and next is what? R max V. R max V. So try to run, students. I'm getting the first column. Carefully follow. Second column max. Third column max. Are you getting? Row related max 25, 30, 19. 19 came. This is related to row max. Similarly, I want to go for what? Column max. How do I get? This is called what, you know? Max related things you got it. Min related things now? Min related thing. Row and what? Column max. This is row and column max. Similarly, I want to go for what? So I want to go for min. I want to get it. Min. I will apply what? Min. Same to same. Apply. What is the function name? A min. A min. Next. A min of. A min of. Access is what? C min. C min value. Next is called what? R min. Earlier I applied max function, students. Today I am applying what? Min function. Here min. Min. Here what? Min. That's all. Other than that, nothing is difficult. And column min. And next is what? Row min. Row min I am going to apply. So I'm writing min of. So min v. Next is what? R min. R min. So I hope you are getting min value. In this case, first one you take it. What is the value? 6. Second one, 7. This one, 16. And in this place, min is what? 10. In this place, min is 15. In this place, min is called what? 6. This is related to what? Max and min. Did you understand, students? So what is the A max and A min? Here I applied the concept of what? See that? Two things newly you got it. Access is equal to 0 says what? Columns. Access is equal to what says, students? 1 says what? Rows. Okay, na? So A max can be applied in two ways. One is in the entire matrix, one is in the row, and one more is in the column. A min also can be applied in entire matrix, row min, and column min. Able to get it? Yes. Easy? Done. Whose description also I will show you. Now I am going to enter into the mean. Finding what? Mean. Finding mean. Suppose Amazon want to find average sales made for each month. They will have an evaluation of what? Each month, each week, each 15 days. They will analyze by themselves whether our sales increasing or decreasing. They need to have monitoring or not. So on and average, what will be the sales made in a month? On and average sales made in a quarterly, half yearly, like yearly, and they will see their profitable things also. So they are going to increase the mean of the sales of every company to be increased to get more and more profits. So here mean is nothing but in your mathematics point of view, finding the average of the given values. Average you will get it what? Sum by total number of numbers. Sum by total number of numbers. That mean can be calculated in the entire matrix. For the row wise mean, column wise mean also you can find. Suppose what is the column wise mean and then etc. Suppose you take the city you take it. They have zones, not zones. Central zone, north zone, east zone, some zones will be there or not. In each zone, which zone is having average employment is more. They'll find out the type of what? Axis wise mean and 0 axis and 1 axis, they will find that means. If you take LIC, the agents who are working on certain zones, they will calculate their performance based on the means only. Able to follow, students? Let us coming to the formula for finding mean is sum of the given numbers by total number of numbers. That is our childhood days also we did. Even in our Python class also, I said the same thing. Write a Python program to find the sum and average of the given numbers. So if we go to the place, already you know that, and this part you see, LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. This is my given data. How to find the sum? We took it as S is equal to 0. And mean formula I am writing, code I am writing. Come on. For value in where LST, there I am writing S is equal to S plus val. S is equal to S plus val. Press enter key. Find what? Sum is equal to comma S. Find it, something. Write it here. Sum is equal to S. And what is the average? Mean is equal to mean or what? AVG is equal to what is this now? S by na? S by LN of what? LST. LN of LST. Am I getting or not? 30. 30. 150 by what? 5. 150 by 30 is what? 50. Are you following? In simple words, if you want to do by yourself more powerful way, you can do what? Simply print of what? Sum is equal to comma what? Sum of LST. This function already I taught to you. Sum is a function which you can apply. And what is the next? Average is equal to, you can say mean or average is equal to, I can say here, tell me, sum of what? LST by what? LN of LST. LN of LST. Now I got it. Average also same. Like this also you can do. Are you finding? So number of samples is equal to by total number of samples is also going to give you what? Average. Are you following, students? If you want to take it, suppose you take it, a government of any state or central government, a commodity, a product, in 3 months high rates are there. In other months there is a low rates are there. In some other month there is a low rates are there. Like that there is a fluctuation in the market price. On and average market price in an year they will calculate. How they will calculate? They will record all these samples, highest and lowest and all these samples they will take it and they will find the mean. There is nothing but average price they will give you. Are you able to follow? So in these places we are going to come across the mean kind of values. Let us, all these things, find the mean of what now? 1D. Come on, A is equal to, come to the coding now. NP dot array of, what is the data here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print of what? Content of A. Content of A. It is very easy for you. Print of what now? A. So it is a data printed. Come on, quickly. Directly I will write. Mean of A is equal to, you say here MB. What is that MB, students? MB is equal to, mean value is equal to NP dot, what is that? Mean of ND array. ND array. Mean of ND array. What is my ND array here? A. ND array A. How do you find out? So here I will take it. As it is, I will take it. To get it now, I will say here print off that mean I am going to get it. Print off. This is the given data. Find this now mean. And already mean value. See this now. Try to look into that. What is the mean of that? 30. Here I wrote it the code and I shown you in different ways. You can find out like this also. Simple, not a difficult. Now I'm going to introduce one more kind of mean. Shall I? Come on now. Take it. A is equal to mean of what now? Finding the mean of 2D. Finding the mean of 2D. Easy, students. Come out. A is equal to NP dot array of, say, take it 10, 20, 30. Now I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. This is one thing. Now I'm taking something like 40, 50, 60. Now I'm going to take up 70, 80, 90. Like that I took it. And a print of what? Close the bracket. And print of A. Print of A. Now content of A I'm going to print it. Content of A I'm going to print it. Right, students. Now here I'm writing content of A. Now see this data. This is my given. Now I want to find the mean. Axis wise mean, total mean. I just want to find out. What is the same to same? I'll carry this. Now I'll find out. Here, come on, apply. MB is equal to NP dot mean of what? A. Same to same. This is called a 2D related mean. I'm going to print this data. So here, as usual, MB. What is the data printed? This entire thing added and find the how many elements? Come on. 9 elements. So sum of all these elements by 9. So you are going to get the answer. What is the answer now? 50. You add all of them and find the things. Able to get it? Done. This is related to entire matrix. Row wise and column wise mean also I want to find. How to find? Access concept I will use. Shall I? So now I will carry the same thing. I hope you understood the access concept. Find the mean of 2D. What is this now? Column wise. Column wise, I want to find. Come on, say. C. Column wise mean value. What is this now? Comma. Access is equal to 0. Nice. Next is called what? RMB. Row wise mean is equal to what? Access is equal to what? 1. Yes. Mean of the entire date. Mean of what is this now? Column mean. Column mean of A. Next what? CMB. Next is what? Next RMV. Row mean value of row wise. Row wise mean. Column wise mean. Column wise mean. And take already you know. Column wise mean 10, 40, 70. How much? 120. 120 by what? 3. Next 70 plus 80. 150 by 3. Next 90, 90, 180 by 3. What is the data? 40, 40 point, 40 point. Next 50 point, 60 point, 60 point. Are you following? This is the column wise. Are you following? Row wise 10, 20, 30. 60 by 3. 60 by 3. 20. 20. Next 40, 50, 60. 150 by 3. 50. Next 70, 80, 90. So come on. 80. 80. This is called what mean? Row mean. This is called which mean? Column mean. So take care. And I already made ready. So here you got it. Here I got it. You got it. Dot, dot, dot. We got it. Because it is taking what value? Float value. I hope you are following. Yes. This is related to column wise mean I found out. And here also row wise mean also column wise and what? Row wise. Row wise mean we found. Similarly, if you want to, you can apply. If you want, you can apply another kind of thing. If you want, you can apply. And row wise mean for matrix only you will find out. And row wise mean for 3D and all those things is meaningless. Meaningless. So if at all 3D is there for us, 3D means what? Number of matrices, rows, and then columns. If I have 3 matrices, some 3 rows and 3 columns, what I will do? Which matrix you want to find, that you take it. How do you take it? That matrix of, what is that now? NP dot, come on, mean of A of 0. What is that A of 0 called? Yes. So next what? First matrix. Next what? 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2 is called 3 matrices or not? Whichever matrix you want, I will find out. Able to understand? It's very simple, not a difficult. So mean will come means what? Some set of values or group of matrix values will come. Shall I move to the further? Yes. Now I'm going to move to the one more kind of thing. So about the mean, what is the syntax here mean? Of course, you already understood. NumPy dot, syntaxes are important. NumPy dot, mean of what object? ND array. One more syntax is what? ND array object of what here? Comma, axis. Axis is equal to what? 0. Comma, next is what? Comma, axis is equal to 1. Represents what? Columns. Represents what? Rows. Shall I move forward? Next, I'm going to introduce median. Median. What is the median here? I will tell you. Median is nothing but suppose for example, this is a native place 1. 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 And each native place people are asking, keep the bus stop near to our native place. Keep the bus stop near to our native place. And the people of the RTC people will decide the place in such a way that it should be center point for all the people. Center point for all the people, which is known as what? Median. Understand this point? So coming to the point of it, a group of people selected in the college, in the companies, they're having different type of what salary packages are there. Average package obtained by the students in the year 2023 is average, means sum of the total salary by number of students. That is one thing. Median salary means what? Center salary. Now, if the number of values are given for us, first of all, they must be sorted. They must be sorted. If you want to find the median, data must be sorted. Data must be sorted. After sorting, in the sorting data, maybe number of sorted values, maybe odd numbers will be there. Odd number of numbers, even number of numbers may be there. If 9 values are there, 9 values, 9 sorted values are there, that 9 is called what? Odd number of values. What will be the center? That side 4, this side 4. Fifth is becoming the center or not? That center element is known as what? Median. If there are 8 elements are there, 8 number of sorted elements are there. This side 3, this side 3. Center what? 4, 5. 4 plus 5 by 2 you will take. 4 plus 5 by 2 will become the median. So what are the steps? 3 things. To do the median, first you must do what? Sort the data. In the sorting, maybe number of sorted values may be even, number of sorted values may be odd. If odd numbers are there, exactly center element will become median. Understand? If the sorted values are even number of numbers are there, center 2 elements will be added, taken by 2. That will become the median. This description, I put it in my notes also. I'll show you that. Shall I go for that? Now I'm going to enter into the further. Let us take this. Now I'm taking finding, come on, finding median, finding median, median of ND array. First I will take 1D. Of course, that is very simple, not a difficult, and almost you understand. Only thing is you have to understand carefully here. 1D array. Now I'm taking sal is equal to sals. Sals in college. What you got it in your college, in the campus placements. Somebody got 12, somebody got 35, somebody got 24, somebody got 6, somebody got 35, somebody got, somebody got 36, somebody got 36, somebody got 8, somebody got 9. How many number of elements are there? 7 elements are there. Assume for example. After that, what I am doing? Convert into ND array. So A cells is equal to, I'm just converting into NP dot, what is this? Array of cells. Got it. So list of students' salaries. Of course, sorry. Comma what? A cells I will print. A cells I'm printing. So I'm getting, this is a data what I got it. Now I want to find out median. Finding the median. How to find the median of the salaries, ma? Now I'm going to write it. Come on, now apply. That I'm applying. Come on. M sal is equal to, median sal is equal to, MD sal is equal to, come on. NP dot median of N sal. A sals, SALS. How simple it is. Come on now. Median salary is equal to, comma what? MD sal. Come on, how it is working? Come on, go. How do you do that? Sort this data. When you are applying median, first A sals data will be sorted. Come on, sort. 6, 8, come on, ma. 9, 12, 24, 35, 36. Median function will call which function? Sort function. In our class, Python, sort. Sort of reverse is equal to false. Sort of reverse is equal to true. Everything Python. These are cover page only, cover page only, cover page only. Already I said sort of true, sort of false, sort of. Okay now. So I said in this place, after that, what is happening? This is going to be 3. This is going to be 3. What is the median salary? 12. Average salary different, mean salary different. Understand, students? So this is going to become median. This number of numbers are what? Odd number of numbers are there. If even number of numbers are there, it is different again. I'll show you that example also. With what elements? Odd number of values. Odd number of values. Students, now see, I'm going to take up. What is the value coming here? So what is the value coming? 12. 12 coming or not? Next, I'm going to apply same thing. I will write it here. What I'm going to do is something like 2 I'm writing 2. With what here? What is this now? Even number of salary. Come on now. Median with this. Come on, this one. 2, 6, 8, 9, 12, 12, 24, 35, 36. How many elements? 8 elements. 8 elements means 3 this side and then 3 this side. And this will be taken. 9 plus 12 by what? 2. 9 plus 12 by 2. How much? 21 by 2. 10.5. This is called what? Median salary. Median salary. See that 10.5 is the median salary. Are you getting? Average salary different, median salary different. Be careful. Median is important. Are you okay? So I'm going to enter into this. So here, one of course, and nowadays how people are, of course, that person may not be, there is no reason that. And in few, 1 month back or something, one person just here only, for some personal purpose, he came to me and he is explaining in my university, one private deemed university in Hyderabad. They met, that is for my personal purpose he came, and he's saying mean salary, and he's taken a brochure, he's explaining mean salary, median salary is explaining. I just want to find out whether this person knows median or mean. I just asked a question. What is this median salary, mean salary? He's saying mean salary, sir, he's saying. What is the mean salary, median salary? Just okay, we understand whether that person is able to capable of understanding or not. So he's saying what is median salary means? He's saying median salary only, sir, he's saying. Median is median only saying. Mean means mean salary only. No more explanation for that. So even I also said, are they same? I asked. No, approximately same they are saying. Something because lack of knowledge. But when you are going to introduce yourself, median want to find, you have to find median, and average means average salary also you need to find. If you want to find here also, which salary you want to find, for example, mean salary, for example. Here also I will write it. What is this now? Mean salary. Mean is nothing but what? Come on, already I said. Average salary is equal to comma. Directly I will call it as what? NP dot mean of A cell. A cell. Are you following? Now see that. What is that? A cell. A cells. A cells. Okay. A cells. What is the answer? Mean or average is 16 point and median salary is like this. Are they same? Different they are. So you must have this knowledge. Okay now? So when you are going to take some list of villages, bus stop you want to go for, average distance you take a, median distance you will take a. Huh? Madhubavalu, median distance you have to take. Median distance means center place. Average median? Median. Are you following? Right. When you are taking a group of decisions you want to make it, you will take average decision, median decision. A decision should be equal to in equal favorable to everybody. What is that? So, మీకు ఎంత చెప్పినా అంతే ఇంకా. the dog tail, like that. So, of course, I don't want to use the word. I already said, again, you are going to say the same thing. So now I am going to say. So shall I move forward? No. Mean and median and average is okay. Mean and median is clear. Same or different? Different. Now I am going to introduce the another one. Up to here, I want to show some small description for you. Some description I want to show you. Otherwise, you will. Okay. After that, let me complete my median. I will go to 2D. Shall I go to 2D? 2D, I will go for it. 2D, I will take it. 2D, let me take it. In this place, finding the median for this data. So 2D related median, I'm going to take it off. So this point, I'm going to take it. 2D with a number of values. A is equal to np dot array of say some 10, 2 comma 20. Next, I'm going to take it some 5 comma 15 comma something like 8. Next, I'm going to take it, 5 comma some 15 comma some 4 I'm taking. Some 4 I'm taking. Now I'm going to take it content of A. These are all called a list of salaries of different people. In 2022, see, చూసుకోండి sorry. This is 10 to 20. And this is 5. And this is called 15. This is called 8. This is called what? 5, 15, and 8. 4, okay. 4. This is called what? In an year, 2022, this is the salary. This is called what? 2023, this is the one. 2024, this is a selection of the student salary. This is for what? CSC branch. This is for ECE branch. This is ECE. And this is for mechanical. Is it not called a matrix? Come on. So matrix is meant for this type of things. For data analysis. In pandas, still it is increasing. So I want to find average, mean, all these things I want to find out. For data analysis, NumPy is very important. So let us come with the graphs also, I will show you this situation. With the graphs, I will show you data visualization. After learning this entire 3 modules, you look for searching in the internet, any job on NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. That much confidence you'll get it. Exclusively when you learn data science along with this coding now, you are the first person in selecting. You have to read the total notes. Come on to that. Now I'm going to say content of A. Content of A. So print of what? Content of A. Content of A. I'm going to take up. Dear students, here I'm going to write it. Print of A. Print of A. Then this is my given data. Now I want to find median of what? Entire matrix, row wise, column wise, I want to find out. Shall we start now? Yes. Find the same thing. Here I am applying the data. Come on, quickly find out. Median is equal to, median value is equal to np dot median of what? A. So what is my median value here? Tell me now. This entire data will be flattened. Flatten. With what style? Mana hair style kaadu. C style. C style. C style, F style. Yesterday only I said C style. What is C style? Huh? Row wise. Row wise. So this is going to be done and it is sorted. Sorted. Whatever it might be. F style or C style, it is flat on the list. Sorting the data. Come on, sort it. What is the data now? 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, another 5, 8, 10, 15, 15, 20, 20. How many elements are there? 9 elements are there. 9 elements means 4 this side, 4 this side. What is the median? On and average salary for all the branches in my college, median salary is what? 8. What is the average salary of the entire college of all the branches? Mean I will find. Easy or not? So what you learned in childhood days, apply to the application so that you'll get clarity. Understand? Well, so here I'm going to say print the data, print here. Come on now. Median of A. Median of what? 2D. 2D array is equal to, comma what? MD val. MD val. Now I'm going to write it. What is the data coming now? Come on. So getting what is the value? 8. Are you getting? Average salary is called what? Mean. Mean is different from this 8. If you do it, it is definitely different. Are you following? Yes. So coming to the point back, this is for what? Median is total median. I want to find out what? Row wise median, column wise median. Fine. Let us go to the place. Let us go to the place. I said, this is the village 1, village 2, village 3, village 4, village 5, village 6, village 7, village 8, village 9, like this. And I want to keep a bus stop. I will measure the distance of all of them and I will apply the median function on that. It will tell the exact location for me. There I will establish. This is the bus stop, I will say. Somebody will do strike and all those things. I will call those striked people. I will show the scientific mechanism for them. Oh, this much is there. They will go to home. And next, between these two people, I want to establish the bus stop. I will apply what? Mean and median is going to be same because it's equal distance or not. Here also one more. Like that, I will go or going on like this. I think you are applying. Now let us coming to that. Ajit Baba, these are all from our degree statistics subjects, sir. Okay, good. Keep it up. Now I'll ask you one question, Baba. Because college level statistics, I like it very well. That's why I will ask the question. Can I ask the question? Ajit Baba, can I ask the question? Huh? Ready to answer my question? Okay. He's ready to answer my question. Now I am asking a question. What is the formula for rank correlation? What is the formula for rank correlation? Kavita? Rank correlation. Maybe my question is immediately searching in Google also. Google also. Oh. So immediately the answer na, I will like it. They will search in internet also. Formula for rank correlation. They will copy and paste. Because I know every activity of online students and offline students. Because they are very dangerous students. Okay. So, not said, sir. Okay. Because the college rank correlation is there in 10th class only. With 10th class, I studied. 1 minus 6 mod x square with some formula is there. I'm remembering. You are all busy people now. That's why you are not remembering. Okay, students, no issue. No issue. Student is always students. Enjoy, but read the subject. Don't you have a lot of power in you. You passed so many subjects from 10th class, intermediate. You see, so much of power is there. You conduct the exam of your BTech one subject to all the teachers one day, they will fail. But you conduct the exam for the student, they will pass. Correct or not? So student is having more power. But when they go to interview, they will forget everything. That is also problem. That's why students, you are the good source is there. Utilize, I am saying. Okay, now let us start. Now I am going to introduce the further. Okay, ma, no problem. Okay, that's our teacher's fault, sir. They did not teach like you, sir. Okay. No problem, students. Because all fingers are not same, not equal. Let it be. I may teach, I may not teach. Whoever is teaching, you learn well. That is my advice. Okay now? Right. Let us start. Now I'm going to take up. This is median for entire matrix. Now I'm going to take up. Come on, students. Number of rows. Now I'm going to apply. Here I'm going to take it. For this column, median. What is the median, ma'am? Come on. This is a column now, sort it out. 5, 5, 10. What is the median here? 5. What is this now? 15. What is the next? 8. 8. This is a column median. What is this, please? 10. 10, 10. 10 to 20. 2, 10, 20. Sort it or not? Next, 8. Next, 5. This is called what? Row wise. This is called what? That's all. Shall I apply now? Copy the same thing. Of course, I did the same thing. Here I will write it. Median value is coming. So what I'm going to take, column MDV, CMDV is equal to, here also I will write it. I forget. What is that, students? Come on. Axis is equal to 0. Next I will take it. What is this now? RMDV. What is this now? Axis is equal to what? 1. Mean of the entire thing. Next I'm going to take it. What is the next ma? Column wise mean median of 2D array. What is this now? CMDV, CMDV, CMDV. Next what again? Row wise I will say row wise. Now I'm going to say row wise. Row wise median of 2D. This is called what? RMDV. So try to follow. I already said to you. This is, see that, take by yourself. And 5. And this is called 15. And this is sorting 8. 8. And next, this place also 2, 10, 20. This is a 10. And 5, 8, 15, 8. And 4, 5, 15, and 5. This is about what? Median. Able to follow? This is about median. There is a mode is there. Mode is not there in where? Yes, I will test you. NP dot mode of what? Mode of A. A is already ready or not? If you want A, I will take it. Directly I will try to write. I will tell you that meaning of that. A got it. NP dot mode of A will give you attribute error. Mode function is not there in. Mode function is not there in. Read out. Module NumPy has no attribute called mode, which is present in the Python module called statistics. Statistics. There are 2 types of modes are there. Single mode determination, multi-mode determination is available. We'll take care about it. So I will keep this error over there. Here I will keep the error. So here, this is the one. I'll keep that error as the students, where you can understand something like this. Next, I'll go for what? Come on, next, variance. Variance. See that carefully. Here what? Variance and then standard deviation is there. Now I want to tell you, up to here I want to show you some small documentation. After that I will go for this. Let me go for that. Students, just try to observe. Try to observe. Now I'll go to this place. Here I'm going to take up something like NumPy. In that statistical operation is available. Statistical operations. So coming to the point of it. Going to this place. No. So here I will go for statistical operation. Here I'm going to say. So now I'm going to say, who is this? Anji. Is there any microbiology background students? Why, ma? Why microbiology background students? My dear student, why microbiology student? Any jobs are there or what with you? Come on now. On the object of ND array, we have the following statistical operations. See that? These statistical operations, come on, these operations we can perform on entire matrix. We can also perform on column wise axis 0 and row wise axis is equal to 1. Getting? Now, so, okay, you are from microbiology. Okay, I am also from microbiology. A max, this syntax obtains maximum element of what? Entire matrix. So here, variable name is equal to numpy dot a max of ND array. Numpy dot a max of ND array object access is equal to 0 obtains, come on, max elements of what? Columns, max elements of columns. So here, sir, notes. Am I not giving notes? Daily I am giving notes. Every day I am sending the notes. So my dear student Rahman, I am giving my dear students notes I am giving daily. So variable name is equal to max of what? ND array object access is equal to 1. This is the one. We got it. Done. Here I am going to get it. Come to the example here. Taken the 3 by 3 matrix. Mean, max, max, max. Total max, 0 axis max, 1 axis max. Min also same, same to same. So got it. All the elements, we got it here. Done. Here also I got it. So here min also, a min of, got it. Next a mean, already you know, used for calculating mean of the total matrix elements. I wrote the formula. Sum of all the elements of the matrix by total number of elements. I said some examples of mean also, where we can apply. Mean of total, mean of axis 0, column wise mean, axis row wise mean. Done. Median, important. Obtaining, calculating median of the entire matrix elements. What is the median I am writing? Median is nothing but process sorting the given data in ascending order and select middle element. Middle element can be what? You see, if the number of sorted elements are odd, then the center or middle element becomes median. If number of sorted elements, if number of sorted elements are what? Even, then select the center or middle of two elements, add them and divide it by 2, and that result becomes median. So median of the entire matrix, median of the entire columns of the matrix, rows of the entire matrix median. So median of that column median, row median, printing the data of 3 by 3, 2 by 2 also printed, and later I'll go for what? Variance. So time is not sufficient for variance covering and what? Standard deviation covering. Tomorrow I will cover this. And I'll post this document. Tomorrow I'll cover variance and standard deviation I'll cover. After that, I'll introduce one more topic. How to insert the data in 1D, 2D, 3D. How to delete the data 1D, 2D, 3D. I'll explain all these things. Don't miss it. Okay. Right, students. Thank you. All the best. Students, those who are in the online, any more doubts? Any more doubts you have, please raise the hands. Online students, if you have any doubts, my dear students, please respond. I'll give you the clarification to you in the doubts. Mohan,
సార్
tell me, Mohan.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మామూలు పైథాన్ అయితే అయిపోయింది కదా సార్. నంపి పాండాస్ మ్యాట్ డాట్ లిప్ చెప్తున్నారు కదా సార్. సార్
చెప్పమ్మా.
అంటే ప్రాజెక్ట్ మాత్రం ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అయితే ఈ నంపి పాండాస్ మ్యాట్ప్లాట్లిబ్ అయిపోయాక వస్తుంది సార్ మాకు మామూలు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్ అంటే
మనకు
రెజ్యూమ్ లో పెట్టడానికి.
దీనికి అన్ని మనం ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు అన్ని మనం టెక్నిక్స్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. బై యూజింగ్ డేటా సైన్స్ అల్గారిథమ్స్ లో ఈ కోడింగ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో
ఓకే
ప్రాజెక్ట్
సార్.
అనేది డేటా సైన్స్ లెవెల్లో వస్తుంది. ఇదే కోడింగ్ అక్కడ ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను
ఓకే
డేటా
సార్.
సైన్స్ అల్గారిథమ్స్ చెప్పాను అనుకో, అది ప్రాజెక్ట్ కింద పెట్టుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే సార్.
మీరు
మామూలుగా మేమైతే మామూలుగా రెజ్యూమ్ లో అయితే
రెజ్యూమ్ లో
పై
నంపై పాండాస్ అని
పై
పెట్టుకోవచ్చు.
పైథాన్ విత్ నంపై పాండాస్ మ్యాట్ప్లాట్లిబ్ అని పెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోద్ది సార్.
అంతే అంతే అంతే.
కింద ప్రాజెక్టులో అయితే ఏం పెట్టుకోవాలి సార్?
అది మనం డేటా సైన్స్, దీని ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ డేటా సైన్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి.
అప్పుడే అవుద్ది సార్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అయితే.
అంతే కదా, ఇప్పుడు మనకు డేటా సైన్స్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్, మళ్ళీ దీనికి లింక్డ్.
లింక్డ్ సార్. ఓకే సార్. మామూలుగా ఇట్ల మీద అయితే ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఉండదు. నంపి మాట్లాడుతూ
ఇవన్నీ మన కోడింగ్ కదమ్మా, ఇవన్నీ కోడింగ్ కదా, చిన్న
ఓన్లీ
ప్రాబ్లమ్
కోడింగ్.
సాల్వింగ్. ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అంటే అక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్. అది ఫర్దర్ గా వస్తుంది కదా సార్?
డేటా సైన్స్ లో వస్తుంది అది.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
రైట్. దీప్తి,
Hello, sir.
టెల్ మీ మా.
Sir, yesterday we did that choice function.
ఎస్.
So in that choice function, when you took the permutation like p is equals to 0.1, 0.3, 0.6, and 0, 0. So
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
the item, the answer that we got, there like 3 was coming twice, but we gave it as 0.1.
That means at that point of time, that value will select one only. 3, 5 means 3 rows, 5 columns. In that one mat, this is the size of this occurrences we are taking. Yesterday I said na, in
Sir,
3 rows, 5 columns, this value possibility I am saying that.
No, sir. The first example that you gave where we had only 1D array, the array was 3, 5, 7, and 9.
What is
And
the size there?
size we took 10.
10. Okay.
Uh,
After that,
so
after
out of 10, 3 should come only one time. But in the answer, 3 is coming 2 times.
that's what I am saying. That what I am saying is randomly they are coming, na, randomly they are coming at that point of selection. That I am showing that 10 elements, in the sense, don't think that 3 coming twice or thrice. At that point of time, for example, 2 3s are there na,
Yes,
for
sir.
5 7, some 3 is there. At that selection point of time, randomized selection, 3 is coming one time. In the next moment of time, 3 something like 6 or something else is coming. This you have to see that independent events only, not collective events. Independent events. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Independent events means there are 3. Your doubt is what you said, probability 0.1, sir. You are saying that 3 should come only one time. You are feeling correct or not?
Yeah, out of 10 values, 3 should. That's how you explained it, that out of 10 values, 3 will come only one time.
That's what I am saying, na. That's what I am saying, that is a continuous events. Each element selection is one element only. Each element selection is one event only. It is a continuous elements. You are getting continuous elements. In the continuous elements, there is a chance this 3 times 3 is coming. 2 times continuously 3, it will not come like this. Continuously 2 times 3 will not come.
Okay.
Are you following?
Okay, sir.
Right. So Raghavendra, sir, to become a Python developer or full stack Python developer, is it necessary? See, for full stack developer is concerned, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib is an additional knowledge. For data science students, it is a mandatory. And learning NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib is a compulsory for everybody, because they are asking questions for Python full stack developer also. These 3 things they are asking compulsory. You have to learn perfectly. That is my advice. Because we are seeing a lot of people who are completion of the interviews, they are asking. Okay, students. So I'll log out and I will upload these notes. Take care, students. All the best.